Assalamu alaikum. Today, today I am here to talk about Palestine's issue and the responsibility of our ummah. Today, today my voice transcends for a cause that never bend. Palestine is a hurt that beats in the body of our ummah, a wound that bleeds, yet demand the strength of our unity. This is about justice and dignity and the commitment we have as Muslims. Dear friends, our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Believers are like one body. If one part hurt, whole body feels the pain. So in Palestine's ashes, we cannot rest. If our brothers, our sisters are oppressed, we are not free. This is our duty. Yes, Mr. President, sir, this is our duty, our call to action. Remember, remember the children of Gaza, unarmed, unbroken, with nothing but stones in their hands, facing oppressions with unyielding courage. Remember the mothers of Gaza who lost their children, who raised their hands in the prayer when all seems lost. Do we stand with them or do we ignore their plea? Our legacy as a Muslims is built on bravery, resilience, and justice. Yes, Mr. President, sir. Bravery, resilience, and justice. We are the followers of Khalid bin Walid, the sword of Allah. We are the Ummah of Salahuddin Ayyubi, who defended Jerusalem with strength and honor. Shouldn't we uphold their spirit today? Imagine if billion peoples, billion calls, billion voices, billion hearts all united for Palestine. Imagine a world where the call for justice echoes from every corner, every land, every city. This is the power of Muslim Ummah. United, we are unstoppable. Together we can bring hope, light, and peace. Yes, Mr. Spencer, together we can bring hope, light, and peace to those who suffer. Dear friends, the fight of Palestine is not just there alone. It is our too. This is fight for justice, humanity, dignity. Let us be the generation who doesn't remain silent. Let us be the ummah who talk about them, who stand with them and their acts for Palestine. Let us be the ones who can bring change and who inspire hope. With faith and strength, we shall not fall. For justice, for peace, we heed the call. Palestine, you never be alone. The Ummah stand with you with one soul, one stone. Thank you.